Building organic traffic. Content and SEO has helped me increase Google organic search traffic by 100% nearly every 3 months for last years and a half despite Google's Panda and Penguin updates. Fresh content and great SEO are key factors in driving growth in traffic, but there is lots of time more for it. Organic search traffic still accounts for about half of all internet traffic volumes, drafting social media traffic. This makes SEO an important component in any internet marketing campaign, but Google's Panda and Penguin algorithm updates prevent bloggers and businesses from focusing solely on SEO as their main traffic drivers. How to drive in ever increasing volume of organic search traffic using 4 main traffic building elements: content, SEO, analytic, refinement. Combining these 4 elements effectively will bring long-lasting accumulative increases in organic search traffic from Google and the other major search engines. How to get more Google search traffic with content? Why should businesses create content? The simple answer is that fresh new content increases your online visibility. It gives the search engine something new to return in their results. Attributes of great content. Here are main attributes of content that will drive traffic to your business website or blogs. On target. Write about what you know, your business, how you achieve success, how you learn from failure, the best way to do things, what to avoid, anything that your customers, fans, or followers want to see. Topical. Write about your current trends, what's in the news, who is doing what companies, personalities, businesses, startup, whatever are making waves. SEO. Use SEO keywords in title and headers. Make sure image have alt and title tag. Don't engage in keyword stuffing. Social. Talk about other people's influences, businesses, and events. The more you reference other people in the content, the more they will talk about you in there. Focus. Not every article has to speak to everyone. Don't be afraid to write an article that is of interest to people in a single town or suburbs. Share. Get your content out there. Social network, YouTube, news and blog sites. The more people who sees your content, the better. Examples of great content. I have plenty of success with a variety of content type ranging from humorous articles to trending topics and more. Here are some examples of the articles I have created, generated sales and business for me. The top 5 tips to reach you: how to rock social media, how to find the best SEO service in Google Panda and Penguin era, online marketing explained with reference to cows. Note that some of these articles were republished on other sites, depending on the audience or who sees an article and shares it. The main content can generate huge interest on one site but remain relatively quiet on the other. How to get more SEO search traffic with SEO? SEO is not a magic bullet for traffic. It has been effective in the past because people were able to cheat the Google algorithm and maintain higher traffic volumes than the quality of their content warranted. Share this great article with the people you like. Those days are nearing an end. Google's recent Penguin algorithm update is a shot across the bow for any website or blog that hasn't been using unique, original content to drive traffic. Check out the SEO software used by professional marketers. How to implement effective SEO? Google publishes very simple and straightforward SEO guidelines on Google Webmaster Tools. These guidelines gives you a good grounding in their basis. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.ideastack.com.